Today, we will discuss FileRun and Nextcloud, offer web-based interfaces that let users access their files from any web browsing device. Fundamentally, file management and sharing are made possible by both FileRun and Nextcloud. They have tools for sharing, organizing, downloading, and uploading files. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. FileRun, offering a reliable and effective file management solution, is FileRun's main goal. It is excellent at file organization, search, and online interface access. Implementing FileRun into pre-existing file systems is made simpler by its ability to read existing file structures. Users that value a simple and uncluttered file access interface are frequently drawn to it. Nextcloud is a complete platform for collaboration, not simply file sharing. It aims to replace many cloud services with features like calendar, contacts, email, and Office Suite integration. Its extensive app ecosystem makes a wide range of features possible. Because Nextcloud is open source, it offers transparency and development that is driven by the community. All in all, both systems have tools for controlling users' account and establishing permissions, giving administrators authority over who can access files and folders. Version control features are present in both systems, whereby previous iterations of information can be recovered. Essentially, both seek to give consumers a safe and regulated method of managing and sharing their digital files.